Today we're going to determine and solve for the area of a sector. So let's define what a sector is. A sector is a portion of a circle. So I actually shaded it over here. This is the sectors. I put dots on it. That means this area is considered as the sector. Now we can solve for the area of the whole circle, and there's another video for that. But today we're gonna focus on the sector. Again, a sector is like a slice of a pizza, and we wanted to know what is the area of that portion of the pizza. So the formula for that is area of a sector is equal to theta, the central angle that we have here, divided by 360 pi r squared. Now let's have an example to better see how we use this formula over here. So let's take this example right here. So we are given this. So these two are sectors. So let's solve for the first one together. So I actually have written the formula that we had on the first slide. So I will put the formula over here because we're going to use that in both of these problems here. So we have, let's do the area for the first one. So that is area of the sector, or this specific sector that we have here, would be equal to the theta is 60. So that is 60 over 360. And then we get a pi. And then we get a 10 inches. And then we square it. So this would come out to be, that's going to be 360. No, that's just 60. So 60 over 360. And then pi times 100 inch squared. So I squared the hundreds, square the 10, so 10 times 10 is 100. So that should have been 360 right there. So if we multiply 60 times 100, that would come out 6,000. So that's 6,000 pi over 360. And then the unit for this is in inches squared, since we square the inches, and the unit of area will be squared since it's two-dimensional. So we can reduce this to the lowest term. These are all divisible by 120. So this can be reduced to 50 pi over 3, and that is in inches squared. So this is our answer right here. I'm gonna put that in a box. This is again our exact answer. Now let's find the rounded or the decimal version for this problem. So that's the first one was the exact. So we plug in 3.1416 into this. So that would come out 6,000. So, and then times 3.1416 over 360. And that is in inch squared. If you use the calculator on this, we rounded it off. So that would be 52.36 inches squared. So this is our decimal version for this. Again, if we say exact, it is it has the pi on it, since pi is irrational. So just keep it as pi. This is the decimal version. At this time, I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem out on your own. And when you're done, pause it and check your answer. Okay, so we go over the problem here. So pretty much the same thing. So the area of this sector, so I'm going to write that over here. Area of the sector is equal to the pi, the theta that we have is 150 degrees over 360 times the pi times our radius is 3 meters, and we square it. So that would be 150 over 360, and then pi times 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. Meter times meter is meter squared. So 150 times 9 times pi would be 1,350. That's pi over 360. And the unit for this is meter squared. So then we go ahead and reduce this to the lowest term. Both of these are divisible by 90. So that would be 15 pi over 4 meters squared. So this is our exact area. To find the rounded or the decimal version for this, we plug in pi 3.1416 to this. So that would come out 1,350 times 3.1416 over, that's 360. And then again, the unit for this is now in meters squared. So if we do the math on this, we round our answer off to 2 decimal places. So that would be 11.78 meters squared. So these answers are just the same. This is the exact and this is the decimal version. Did you get the same answers as this? Good. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!